To beat the heat this summer, I am going to share 2 cooling pranayama with you all. Name of these cooling pranayama are Sheetali Pranayama and Sheetkari Pranayama. These pranayama are highly beneficial to keep your body cool, keep your mind relaxed, keep your nervous system relaxed. We have all the resources to keep our body cool like AC, cooler, fan, but these are to cool down the body only. What about the calmness of mind, calmness and of the nervous system? So with the help of these pranayama, your mind, your body and nervous system will be cooled down. So watch the video till end because I am going to share step-by-step technique how to do the cooling pranayama. Also at the end of this video, you are going to know more benefit about Sheetali and Sheetkari Pranayama. What are the precautions? What are the contraindications? So watch the video till end. If you are new to this YouTube channel or if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also if you press the bell icon you will get all the notification of my videos. Namaste everyone, my name is Shaheeda. Let's begin. Now we are going to learn how to do Sheetali and Sheetkari Pranayama. First, sit in a comfortable cross-leg position or any meditative posture in which you are comfortable. So keeping the palms on your knee, join your thumb and index finger together. Keep your 3 fingers out like this and place your palm on your knee. Your palm is facing up toward the ceiling. Keep your body relaxed, keep your facial muscles relaxed. Now for the practice of Sheetali Pranayama, stretch your tongue out like this. Not too intense, stretch your tongue out like this. Now roll the tongue like a tube. Inhale through your mouth. Close your mouth, let your tongue relax inside your mouth and then exhale through your nose. So this practice is for complete beginner. Let me show you 2 more times. Inhale through your mouth. Swallow the breath. Keep your mouth closed. And exhale through your nose. I have seen many practitioners during pranayama, they keep their eyes open. So never do this mistake. You are practicing yoga or any pranayama to develop the self-awareness, to become more aware about your body, about all the changes like happening inside you. So keep your eyes closed and then practice. Inhale through your mouth. Swallow the breath and then exhale. After few weeks of practice, like 1 or 2 weeks of practice, when you are comfortable, you can hold the breath also. Initially, you can like avoid holding the breath, and also people who are suffering from high blood pressure, hypertension, anxiety issues, heart condition, you should never like do the breath retention. So now the practice for advanced practitioners and people who are like comfortable with previous practice. So what you can do, stretch your tongue out, inhale through your mouth, hold your breath in, mouth closed, exhale through your nose. Now you can do the exhalation closing the right nostril and exhalation through the left. Why? Because the inhalation which is happening through your mouth, it becomes cool because it touches the mouth and saliva, it goes inside your body, it becomes warm. So this warm air should come out through the left nostril, which is cool nostril. This right nostril represents sun, this left nostril represents moon. So sun is already like hot and the cool nostril is this. So let me show you how to do. Inhale through your mouth, retain your breath in 10 seconds, Close your right nostril. Watch your exhalation happening through your left. Inhale through your mouth. Hold your breath in. Close your right. Exhale left. Like this. If you are an advanced practitioner, you can add Jalandhara bandha also. Jalandhara bandha means how you lock your neck. So this is an advanced practice. So if you are a beginner or you haven't practiced like Sheetali before, I suggest you to practice Sheetali for 2 to 3 weeks first and then apply this Jalandhara bandha. So eyes closed, inhale through your mouth, hold your breath, lock your neck, release neck lock, close your right nostril, exhale through your left. Longer exhalation, empty your lung, hands down. Let's do one more time together. Inhale through your mouth. Neck lock. Neck lock. Release neck lock. Close your right, exhale left. After the practice, sit quiet for 1 or 2 minutes and observe the cooling effect inside you. There are many people who are not able to roll their tongue like this. So there is an alternate also, Sheetkari Pranayama. In Sheetkari Pranayama, you join your teeth like this, keeping the lips open. And you do all these practices that we did in Sheetali Pranayama exactly the same way. So let me show you once. Inhale through your mouth. Mouth close. Exhale through your nose. This practice is for complete beginner. After 1 or 2 weeks, you can retain your breath like this. Hold your breath 10 counts. Close your right, exhale left. For advanced practitioners, close your mouth, apply Jalandhara bandha. Hold as long as you can. Release neck lock, close your right, exhale left. Like this. So in this video you got to know like practice for beginner, practice for intermediate, practice for advanced also. Now let me share what are the major benefits of Sheetali and Sheetkari Pranayama. It cools down your body, it calms down your mind, it calms down your nervous system. People who are suffering from high blood pressure, hypertension, anxiety issue, excessive mental stress, it helps in weight loss, it gives you nice beautiful skin. It is also helpful in anti-aging as well. Now let's talk about the precautions as well. So never practice cooling pranayama if there is too much pollution like around you. And if you are living in a city which is very polluted, you can practice these pranayama early in the morning. What are the contraindication of this cooling pranayama? If you are suffering from asthma or any kind of breathing problem, avoid practicing this pranayama. If you want to learn more asanas, pranayama, meditation, how to do yogic cleansing technique, how to relax your body and mind with the help of yoga, you all are welcome to join my online yoga classes. These online yoga classes are conducted on Zoom Monday to Friday. Duration of each class is of 1 hour. Who can join these classes? These classes are suitable for beginner. If you are already a practitioner, you can also join. If you have any health condition like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, high blood pressure, breathing related problems, PCOD, PCOS, anxiety, depression, sleep problem. If you want to develop strength and flexibility in your body, you can definitely join these classes. Let me also tell you, there were many students who were having this kind of health condition. They have started practicing yoga under my guidance and they got a lot of benefits. They were able to recover from their health condition. Now they are living a very healthy and happy life. So I highly recommend all of you to join these online yoga classes. If you're not able to join these Zoom yoga classes, no problem. I have some recorded courses also. So these recorded courses are beginner friendly. It has like a nice 1 hour long video, and in this 1 hour you are going to learn asanas, pranayama, meditation, all in a sequence. I'm sure you want to know more about these Zoom classes and recorded courses. So you can visit my website, which is mentioned here, www.yogawithshaheeda.com, or you can WhatsApp also in this number. So I'm sure now you know how to do cooling pranayama, what are the benefits of cooling pranayama, who should practice, when you should practice. Every detail I have shared in this video. But still, if you have any confusion, if you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, feel free to comment below. So you have watched the video till end. Thank you so much for that. I'm sure that you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, please subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also share this video with your friends and family so that they could also know how to do the cooling pranayama and keep the body and mind relaxed. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing yoga regularly. I'll see you in next video. Namaste.